So we have Foota hype, I burn out the link up with Vybzkartel, Mavado, Buju Bantan, Bounty Killer, and DJ Khaled. Yeah man, the entertainer attack a bag of things for viewers and subscribers. Plus we also have Vybzkartel to talk about. Such a man, leave a like, subscribe, click that bell to be notified so you do not and will not miss a brand new upload. Feel free to comment and make we jump right into the video. So the entertainer Vybzkartel bring Adidjaheim Records to the US. Viewers and subscribers, be things the entertainer go on with. Yeah man, the entertainer make some big moves since him come out of jail and what to stop him. Viewers and subscribers, as you can see on the screen, it says the King of Dancehall has officially opened Adidjaheim Records USA about expansion of the Gaza Empire straight into the heart of the US music industry. From Jamaica to global sounds, this isn't just a label, it's a movement. Adidjaheim Records made waves with the Grammy-nominated hit Party With Me, produced while Kartel was behind bars. The track proves that Gaza boss doesn't need freedom to make world-class music, just a pen, a vision, and a mic. From launching new artists to securing major international collabs, Adidjaheim is not just a record label, it's a full-on creative syndicate. Now with a US base, expect even bigger crossovers, new genres, and a fully Gaza-way activity. Viewers and subs, what are your thoughts on this? The entertainer Vybzkartel make waves in a dancehall and out a dancehall. Yeah man, the entertainer continuously push his brand and make big money on the side. Yeah man, leave on the take in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. Make me know what you think, and remember, if you don't reach this far, just click the subscribe.
We gon' smoke, we gon' drink, we gon' party, we gon' live, we gon'.
So, anytime you hear Foota hype speak, make us speak on the good side and the bad side. The good side is the reunion, is the embracing each other and everything. But the bad side about it is the hypocrisy. Man, listen to me, you know. I remember me used to this. When me speak the truth, people spin it and say what they want to say. It's a great thing for the union. But you know how would I accept that union is better? You see, if Bounty Killer did say, yo, Vybzkartel link up, Kartel link up, Buju link up, everybody feel good, and it happen, would I feel way more proud. You see, Vybzkartel, it's a John No star. You know, so I come from jail and, yo, no bad vibes. Killer, Mavado, Buju, and it work, would I proud. You see, Buju did say, Killer, Mavado, Kartel, wanna come in, make a reason, hold back a vibe, and it happen, would I feel better. Nah blame Khaled for nothing. Khaled is doing the right thing. He might do what suit him and it'll work. But the hypocrisy is, why them no want do it? You know much bad man, you know much Dan, bad man, promoter, politician, friend, brother, cousin, sister try for this happen. You know much years people are trying to make everybody come together, so it couldn't happen. So is it truly genuine? Or is it opportunity based? Is it brotherly love? Or is it love for opportunity and love for money? Those are the magic questions, you know. Is it a union based on brotherly love? Is it because I truly love this other artist as my brother while we are here? Or is it because of the catalyst, DJ Khaled? Is it because of what DJ Khaled brings? Is it because of the power of DJ Khaled's pen? when him sign a signature? Is it because we know say if we do that song for Khalid, it's sure to sell 1 million copy? Is that why? Is it because Khalid can pick up the phone and call Jay-Z and we in contact with Jay-Z, or Khalid can pick up the phone and call Rihanna and we in connection with Rihanna, or Khalid can just pick up the phone and talk to Russell Simmons? Is it because of that? Or is it because we love dancehall? Or is it because we truly love each other? Those are the magic questions. No, people, when me talk, me I go talk the reality. I know 1 done or 2 done or 3 done or 4 done or politician, police. It can't happen. No matter who try for the link happen, it can't happen. Cannot happen. So is it truly love and union for the culture, or is it an opportunist thing? Is it money? Because if I just for the money, then it don't make sense, it not gonna last, you know. If I just for the money, it won't last. Somebody say if me did that as an original man, if the views would have been the same. My views are, if you are going to unite to the culture, it must be natural. Me must really feel like me want to make bygones be bygones because me see you as a human being who me rate. You understand? Or me see you as somebody who me love and respect. And we have a bad days, but a brighter days now. You understand? And that it for be. It not for be because I want opportunity. It not for be because I want piece of food there. It not for be because Jano, this is a big look and we are going to sell a platinum with that song because I carry that put it out. You rate. You understand? Or me see you as somebody who me love and respect. And we have a bad days, but a brighter days now. You understand? And that it for be. It not for be because I want opportunity. It not for be because I want piece of food there. It not for be because Jano, this is a big look and we are going to sell a platinum with that song because I carry that put it out. You get what I'm saying? Wanna get what me really say? For me, based on what me know, and the amount of people try for everybody link up, and it never happened before, I think it's for the money. I think it's for the opportunity. I think it's for the big look. Whole heap of producer Jamaica tried, can't work. Whole heap of producer a foreign tried, it can't work. So no get me wrong, me love it. But me have to question it.
So leave on the take in the comments. What you think about all of this? Viewers and subscribers, big up and catch you in another one.